is following in February's footsteps. In fact, March could turn out to be one of the sunniest Marches on record right across the UK. And that's because we've had high pressure in charge for some considerable time now. But there will be a cloudier spell of weather through tomorrow and Saturday as this low pressure moves up from France and gives us a little bit of rain. Still some uncertainty on this, but look how it moves away. The high pressure re-establishes itself and holds on in the south into next week, but it does allow the weather front to start to make progress into Scotland and Northern Ireland. But at the moment, the main activity on the radar picture is in the south. That rain is really starting to take shape now, moving out of northern France across the Channel towards the Channel Islands. So some wet weather to come here tonight and across the southwest of England. That'll move its way gradually northeastwards. Little patchy rain in the far north of Scotland too, but the main consideration if you are travelling tonight is the fog. It's already quite thick around the North Sea coast. It's going to be a particular problem, I think, for central and eastern parts of the UK. Patchy fog just about anywhere, but it will be particularly dense, I think, by morning in some central and eastern parts of England, the central lowlands of Scotland and generally the south and east of Scotland. So some nasty conditions on the roads first thing. It's in central and rural eastern areas as well where we'll have a touch of ground frost once again. So a misty start, some patchy fog to clear away, but then the hazy sunshine will break through. Light today, some of that fog could just linger on the coast for a time, but the real change is further south and west. That showery rain will gradually ease its way northwards across western areas. The weather front across Scotland will start to ease its way southwards and eastwards, and there could even be the odd shower springing up across the Midlands and other southern parts of England. So for Northern Ireland, quite a notable change, as well as for Northern England. I think some of that low cloud really could be slow to clear, but again in the northwest, 14 or 15 on the cards in the hazy sunshine. Now, Northern Ireland had their warmest day of the year so far today, but tomorrow looks cloudier with that rain approaching, particularly the southeast, and temperatures a little lower. But for most of us, despite a bit more cloud, temperatures still up to 15 or 16 in the hazy sunshine, a little lower where that fog on the east coast persists. It could be quite damp and misty to start across southern parts of England and Wales on Saturday. That weather still with us, not a lot of rain, but nuisance value really, and giving us quite a cloudy day, but much brighter if fresher in the northwest as the winds swing into the northwest and push that weather front out of the way for Sunday. So the sunshine returns even in the south by then, but both Sunday and Monday it turns rather breezy with some showers or even longer spells of rain in the northwest. That's the forecast.